Yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, anyways, sorry. Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. Today is going to be a fantastic day. So, I'm the Techie Gen, as you already know, from the TypeScript series. That beautiful, I think it was around 20 something videos of around the videos that I did learning TypeScript. I had already done some TypeScript and JavaScript, but I went to boot.dev and I just started from scratch. You don't have to watch that. I just posted those videos because I just want it to be like something to look back on for myself. But what we're going to do that I want you to look at is that I'm going to use the skills and the knowledge I gained from that TypeScript series to build project. So you guys know that I am building a game, KQuest. I've posted some few thingies where I talked about how the algorithm how the initial algorithm of the game worked. So initially I wrote the game. It's like a silly game that I wrote initially in JavaScript only, just JavaScript, just wrote the logic in JavaScript. But for this project, I'm gonna use TypeScript, React, and then for the backend, it's gonna have some backend, and we're gonna be doing some sockets, because I'm gonna be doing some multiplayer stuff. I don't know if TypeScript is the perfect language for this, as it is single-threaded, but the game is fairly simple. We're not doing a lot of processing, so I don't think being TypeScript being single-threaded is gonna give me any issues. So this June, that's what I'm gonna be posting about. I'm gonna be finishing up the game KQuest, and I have another game idea called Eggy. That's I don't know if I should do both. No, actually, I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna write KQuest. Okay, this recess. I'm gonna write KQuest, and then I also do some C++. Okay, so in C++ I'm gonna take whichever course on Codecrafters is gonna be free. I'm just gonna do that. I've already done half of writing your own Git, and I wrote. What's the other thing I wrote? I wrote my own. I think it was Redis. I think I wrote my own Redis. No, I don't know. What did I write? I was doing some. Yeah, I think I wrote my own Git, and I don't remember the other one. I remember Git. We were writing the head, and then these things that it's you have to hash it or something. Yeah, but I forgot. It was a long time ago. It was a month ago. So I'm gonna be doing a project also on Codecrafters, whichever one is gonna be free, and this time I have to finish it. I'm gonna do it up until I finish it. That's TypeScript. We're writing a game called KQuest. C++, we're gonna be doing a real world project on Codecrafters, but it's going to be whichever one is free. I hope the Git one is free, so I can just complete that and make the video quicker. And then the third one is Python. Okay, what am I gonna be doing in Python? Python one, I'm gonna learn Python. Python was my first language when I first started programming in 2022. I know it, it was my first language. I was learning it on SolarLearn, did the whole intro to Python, advanced Python data structures, did a lot of problems in Python. But for this one, I think it should be a video for another day because it's interesting. It's not something we've done on the channel before. So for the Python one, which is the third, which I'm gonna be doing during recess, the Python one is gonna be a video for another. It's gonna be its own video, I should say. So yeah, those are the 3 projects I'm gonna be doing this recess. as a third year computer science student in South Africa who is maybe looking to get employment next year. But obviously for C++, I'm not gonna be looking to get work in C++. Maybe TypeScript. I should be doing Java. There was some Bluetooth thing I wanted to do. I was writing this application. It was like a silly application that allows you to like maybe that one too should be like a video for another video. But like this Java project, and if I do this TypeScript project, I feel like they could be like strong on the CV. This game, if I do it on TypeScript, there's a backend, we're using sockets and stuff, games are communicating, multiply, it's gonna be good. And I do the Bluetooth backend for this Bluetooth app I'm writing. I do it in Java. I think like that would be really great to show to employers, as Java is like a popular language in South Africa. I'd like to be like really good to show them that I can build this in Java. And this project I'm gonna build with minimal AI use as possible. I know like AI now is just taking over Cloud, GPT, whatever, Gemini, but I'm just gonna be doing these things for learning. Like I don't have to rush or anything, or just produce something quick. I'm gonna be searching, maybe like searching for small functions that I might need, how to do this and this. I might just go search, not open the thingy on the code editor, because I might end up saying, okay, just put the code in my project. No, I'm gonna just go straight to ChatGPT, go straight to DeepSeek, and then ask maybe if I want something, how to do this, and then it shows me, okay, you do this, and then I see how it did that, and then I go back to my code and actually just implement it myself. I'm just doing this for learning. I'm not like trying to build like an app fast where I just want to do this for learning and build something that I can explain later on. Or okay, I did this is how I did this is how I did it. So this video, I talk really fast, which might be a problem for other people, but I don't know, like I even talk over my words because I talk really fast. Like I hate slow things. I'm sorry, I just hate when it's like if things are slow. So that's gonna be it for today. I gave you 3 projects I'm going to do as a final year student in South Africa. Hope you have a great day. I am out.